Hello class, welcome to today's episode of Preposition Mastery or Master Prepositions. Today we're gonna tackle two sneaky prepositions, good at versus good in, and against at or guard against versus guard from. So by the end of this video you will be so good at prepositions. You won't even need to guard against making mistakes ever again. So let's dive in. Let's start with good at and good in. You are good at doing something. You are good at playing. You are good at playing guitar. You are good at playing musical instruments. You are good at football. You are good at drawing. You are good at so on and so forth. You are totally rocking it. You are the best, you know? You are really perfect doing this thing or at this thing. But if you are good in, means you are like, let's say if you are good in class, means you are not playing guitar in the class. Means you are a good student. Means you behave well. Your behavior is so good. You are nice. Your conduct is so good. Your behavior is so good. So make this difference between good at, you are good at a skill, and you are good in. When I say you are good in the class, means you respect the teacher. Okay? You don't play, you don't make noise, so your behavior is so good. In the class. You see the meaning? Huge meaning, right? In the class and at doing something, at playing. For example, you are good. Okay, let me write here. Number one, good at and good in. For example, he is good at playing guitar. Guitar, okay? He is good at playing guitar. And look at this. He is good in class. He is good in class. Where he is good in class. You see here? In means I'm talking about his behavior. His conduct, behavior, okay? He's good in the class or in class. But when I'm saying he is good at playing guitar, means he is skillful, okay? He is perfect at doing this. For example, he is good at maths. He is good at maths. He is good at playing guitar. He is good at maths. He is good at other school subjects, okay? He is good at English. He is good blah blah blah. So I'm talking about subject. When I talk about good, I am good at, means I am talking about or being skilled or proficient or perfect at something, at doing something. So here I am highlighting a specific skill or activity someone excels at, someone is good at, someone is perfect at doing this thing, all right? Okay? But when I am talking about good in, when I'm using good in, means talking about being good within a certain environment, like subject within a certain environment, like environment, and also subject, and also situations, right? Okay? For example, he is good in school. He is good in class. You are good in making excuses. All right? Okay? Super easy. This means he performs well in a specific context, like school, or a particular setting. Okay, school, somewhere else, at home, somewhere. All right. Okay. So here I am talking about behavior somewhere, some specific places. All right. Context. And here I'm talking about subject. He is good at subjects, any school subjects, any skill. He is skillful at doing this thing. His performance is so good. All right, easy peasy. Okay, good. Let me give you like a quick summary or a quick quiz. Let's say quiz. I am, and you do it. Okay, you do it. Or write in the comments, right? I am dancing. What should you write here? Good at or good in? So choose one. Next, she is always in the class. The class. All right. Fill in the blanks, okay? I am photography. What should I write here? Good at or good in? Now it's your turn. Think. I am dancing. So ask yourself, dancing. Okay, so it's a skill, huh? It's a skill. You perform, you dance. It's a skill. Okay, it's a skill. So what are you good at? I am good at dancing. Good at dancing. She is always the classroom. The classroom, is it a skill? No. Am I good at classroom? Doing classroom? No. So she is always good in the classroom, okay? I am, photography. It's a skill, huh? It's a skill. You ask yourself, it's a skill. Okay, so I should automatically use at. So I am doing something I am good at. I am good at photography. I am weak in. I am weak in. I am good at. I am weak in. Okay? Don't use weak in photography. I am good at photography. But when you want to say weak, you use the preposition in. I am weak in photography or something like that. Alright? Okay? I am weak in maths. I am weak in other skills. Very good. Now, let's go to number 2. Okay, number 2. Guard against and guard from. Guard against and guard from. Guard against is used when you are trying to prevent something bad to happen, or from happening. You prevent something bad from happening or to happen, all right? Okay? For example, let me give you an example. We need to guard cyber attack. Cyber attacks. So, which one should I use here? Which one? Cyber attack. Which one? Against from, against, guard against, or guard from? You are preventing. Look, guard against, we use it when you are trying to prevent something bad to happen or something bad from happening. So here we have cyber attack. Cyber attack. So you are preventing means we need to guard against cyber attack. Against cyber attacks. Cyber attacks, plural. Against, okay? Not from. Against. Good. Not from. This means you are trying measures to stop those cyber attacks from happening. You are doing most possible or as much as you can to stop cyber attacks from happening. Very good. Now, 2. Guard from. Guard from. Guard from. When do we use guard from? Guard from is more about protecting someone or something from harm. Okay? That's already out there. You try to protect someone or something. You protect someone or something from harm. That's already there. For example, he guards his home from intruders. For example, let me try to write it here. You try to protect. Try to protect. To protect what? To protect someone or something. From what? From harm. From harm that's already there. From harm that's already there. And I give you an example. For example, he guards from what? He guards his home. He guards his home. He guards his home from what? Intruders. Okay, very good. So good so far? So far so good? So far so good? Yeah. Okay. Guard from, to try to protect someone, to protect someone from someone or something from harm. From harm, we use guards from. And guards against, so to prevent something bad to happen. To prevent. So let's make it clear. Guard against. You guard against fraud. You guard against fraud. You guard against fraud. You guard against mistakes. Okay? Let me write it here to make it easy for you to understand. You guard against fraud. You guard against mistakes. You guard from negativity. You guard from laziness. You guard from procrastination. Okay? You guard against these. How about guard from? You guard from. You guard from what? You guard from valuables. Something valuable. Something valuable. Something valuable. Something valuable. valuable, okay? From thieves, you guard children from danger, okay? You guard children from danger, okay? You guard something valuable from theft. You guard your children from danger, okay? Okay, guys? Good. So let's recap. Guard against is all about prevention. Right, please take notes, okay? Take notes, guys. I need to erase the board. Very good. So, guard against. So what? Guard against is all about prevention. As we said, you prevent something bad to happen. You prevent something bad to happen. Guard against. Guard from. You guard from what? You guard from. It's all about protection. Prevention, protection from danger, from theft, from danger. You guard against. Okay, you guard against. Good job.